In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Spotify payment failed, step-by-step guide. If your premium payment isn't going through, follow along and we'll work through the most common causes, from quick checks to a clean app refresh and a reliable web checkout alternative. Start by verifying your payment details. Open the payment screen and carefully confirm your card number, expiration date, security code, and billing zip or postal code. Make sure the name and address match what your bank has on file and that you've got enough balance or available credit for the subscription. Some cards block recurring or international charges by default, so if you see a decline in your banking app, you may need to enable online payments or temporarily lift a security block before trying again. Next, check your internet connection. Payments need a steady, secure connection to complete. If you're on a shaky network, switch to a more stable one and wait a few seconds for the signal to settle before you retry. Now update the Spotify app. From your home screen, open the Google Play Store. Tap the search bar, type Spotify, select the app, and update it to the latest version if an update is available. New versions often fix payment and checkout glitches behind the scenes. If you're still stuck, clear the Spotify app data. Go back to your home screen, long press the Spotify icon, and tap App Info. Choose Force Stop to fully close it. Then go to Storage Usage and tap Clear Data. This resets cached settings that can interfere with billing. Don't worry, this won't delete your account, but it will sign you out and remove downloaded songs, so you'll need to log back in and re-download later. Restart Spotify and try again. Open the app fresh, navigate to the premium section, and attempt the purchase once more. Keep an eye out for any prompts from your bank, like a verification screen, and complete those right away to avoid timeouts. If the issue persists, use your browser as an alternative. Open your web browser, search for Spotify, and go to the official website. Log into your account and try purchasing premium from there. The web checkout often succeeds even when the in-app flow doesn't, because it connects directly to Spotify's billing page. And that's it. If this helped you fix the payment failed error, give this video a like and subscribe for more Spotify tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck with your upgrade.